Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a B7 OLED LG's remote. I went online on LG store, called them, they were not able to locate it. So I went on eBay and bought this, and I will also link this remote, but this is an awesome remote. So my old remote was broken by my dog. It ate it up all together and it is all broken. So I went for a new one, did not find it on Amazon or on LG's site. So I went to eBay and found this one, and this is a very good remote. As you can see, it comes in this box, and it has this menu. I don't care about it, but this remote, it doesn't come with a battery, so I had to put in a battery. It is awesome, it works great, and only thing is that it doesn't come with a battery. It cost me $28 and it came fast also, and it's an actual remote. I can figure it out because it shows everything here, and also if you look at here, everything is there. So this is an actual good remote. It automatically also connected to the system. So if you're not able to find a remote for a OLED B7 55 inch or 65, it works great. Let me know if you guys want to see a demo.